Welcome to Falcon TV. Subscribe to the channel to stay informed and inspire us.
The Indian Army is the world's second-largest standing army with over 1.4 million active personnel and reserve forces of over 2.6 million. India invests heavily in its indigenous defense industry, developing tanks like the Arjun Mk1A and missiles like the BrahMos jointly with Russia. The Indian Army has a massive ground force of over 4,000 main battle tanks and 3,500 infantry vehicles. Major missile systems in service include the Prithvi short-range ballistic missile and the BrahMos cruise missile. India continues to expand its strategic forces triad of land, sea and air-based nuclear delivery systems like the Agni missile. The Army has a sizable mechanized force equipped with tank regiments, mechanized infantry, and self-propelled artillery. Indian special forces like the Para-Commandos are among the most battle-hardened and experienced units with counterinsurgency expertise. India maintains a large fleet of over 2,000 frontline main battle tanks like the T-90S Bhishma and Arjun. The Army has inducted advanced self-propelled howitzers like the K9 Vajra T, providing enhanced mobility and firepower. India is among the world's largest importers of defense equipment with advanced technologies from Russia, the US, Israel. The Army has undertaken major mechanization efforts in recent decades, converting infantry divisions to rapids with tanks. India possesses nuclear triad capabilities with land, sea and air-based nuclear weapon delivery systems. The BrahMos supersonic cruise missile was developed jointly with Russia and can strike targets up to 500 kilometers away. Electronic warfare and C4ISR capabilities provide reconnaissance, strategic intelligence and networked communications. India has an array of tactical surface-to-surface ballistic missiles like the Prithvi for ground targets up to 350 kilometers away. Advanced air defense systems like the S-400 Triumph provide strategic area defense against airborne threats. India has an estimated stockpile between 130,140 nuclear warheads deliverable by aircraft, missiles and mobile launchers. Infantry units like the Assam Regiment and Rajputana Rifles maintain extensive experience in counterinsurgency and high-altitude warfare. Armored fighting vehicles like the BMP-2 Sarath infantry vehicle provide mechanized forces protected mobility in combat zones. Shoulder-fired anti-air missiles like the Igla-S Manpad system allow ground units to engage low-flying aircraft. Mountain divisions like the Indian Army Sikkim are specialized in mountain and winter warfare operations. Towed artillery units employ the 155mm Bofors gun for long-range fire support during ground offensives. The DRDO develops key technologies like the Pinaka multi-barrel rocket launcher, providing mechanized firepower. India has over 200 Su-30 Mki air dominance fighters able to engage hostile aircraft from great distances. High-mobility vehicles like the Mahindra Axe allow rapid deployment of troops in border and counterinsurgency zones. A large standing force of over 1 million personnel provides India significant conventional deterrence and power projection. India has advanced nuclear command and control systems like the Alternative Command Control Complex, AC-3. The INS Arahant class of ballistic missile submarines will provide sea-based nuclear deterrence with SLBM launch capability. India operates over 2,000 main battle tanks like the T-90 Bhishma with advanced composite and explosive reactive armor. The Akash surface-to-air missile provides air defense support to ground forces formations and vital assets. India maintains an independent strategic nuclear deterrent based on a no-first-use policy and assured retaliation posture. The Dhanush 155mm artillery gun offers greater automation and electronic controls, enhancing operational readiness. India is developing next-gen infantry gear like the futuristic infantry soldier as a system, FINSAS. India has indigenously developed multiple rocket launcher systems like the Pinaka Mk2 with enhanced range. Shoulder-fired missiles like the MPATGM will allow infantry to destroy enemy armored vehicles up to 2.5 kilometers away.
If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you.